Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Google Drive for sharing files. To use Google Drive for sharing files on Windows and Android, we have some steps for you. On Windows, open Google Drive. Just go to Google Drive and make sure to sign in with your credentials. Upload or locate the file. Click New, File Upload, or find an existing file. Share files. Right-click the file and choose Share. It opens the sharing settings. Enter email or copy link. Add people via email by clicking Share, then enter the email of your preferred recipient. Set permissions. Choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor access. Click Send or copy link. Share the file via email or click Copy Link to generate a shareable link to share it with others. On your Android device, open Google Drive app. Launch the app and sign in. Upload or find the file. Tap the plus, then upload or locate an existing file. Tap the three-dot menu. Then it opens File Options. Select Share. Opens the sharing settings. Enter an email or copy link. Add people or create a shareable link. Tap Send or copy link. Share the file via email or messaging apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.